You don't need to be an expert to know that investing in Tesla in 2008 would have made you a fortune. But as fate would have it, many of us didn't, and most people were skeptical, including legendary investor Warren Buffett. Well, maverick entrepreneur Elon Musk went public and sent a message to Buffett. In this video, we'll look at Musk's message to Warren Buffett and why it's a great lesson for all investors who are looking to make a serious profit from investing in revolutionary technologies. We'll also explore how to develop the right mindset by learning from Elon's emerging success story, so you can use it as inspiration for your own personal finance journey. Let's get started. The competition between Elon Musk and Warren Buffett has been brewing for years. While the Oracle of Omaha was extolling the virtues of a slow and steady investing approach, Musk was pushing the envelope, embracing risk and championing innovation. The billionaire investor has long had an eye on Tesla, but it wasn't until 2008 that Elon Musk made his case to Buffett, urging him to invest in Tesla. But Buffett resisted, citing his hesitation to take risks at that point in his life. Fast forward to today, and it's easy to see where Musk's bet paid off. Had Buffett invested then, he would have seen returns of over 4,300% on his initial investment in Tesla stock, an even greater return than the 2,000% return he saw on his initial investment in Berkshire Hathaway. Clearly, this rivalry is far from one-sided. While Warren Buffett has been around much longer than Elon and has made some impressive investments over the years, Musk has proven himself to be an exceptionally savvy investor, as well as being quite a bold risk-taker. If there's one thing the legendary investor Warren Buffett is known for, it's his ability to pick winners. But even the Oracle of Omaha missed an extraordinary opportunity to invest in Tesla, a decision Elon Musk recently highlighted in a public message. In his message, Musk acknowledged the missed opportunity and pointed out that if Buffett had invested early on, he would have earned a huge return. The electric car giant has been a Wall Street darling since then, its stock price soaring beyond $800 since its 2010 IPO. The message was pretty clear: never doubt the power of big innovation, even if the experts say it can't be done. This story serves as a reminder for all would-be investors. Staying informed on emerging markets and watching for trends can yield big rewards. As Elon Musk put it himself in his tweet, "Greater knowledge leads to greater wealth." So keep your eyes open and don't miss another golden opportunity as Warren Buffett did. From the introduction of an all-electric vehicle lineup to groundbreaking technology such as autopilot, Tesla has disrupted the entire automotive sector. As a result, Tesla's stock prices have soared to new heights, and Elon Musk can now boast of an astounding net worth of approximately $88 billion. Warren Buffett himself noted that he had failed to invest in Tesla in 2008, and if he had done so, he would have realized a huge profit. The recent surge in Tesla's stock value is due largely to its innovative technology, which includes features such as self-driving capability, digital key technology, solar roofs, and batteries with high energy density. Not only does Tesla's technology reduce emissions, it has also paved the way for other automakers to develop similar products. Unsurprisingly, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway recently invested $1.02 billion in Barrick Gold Corp., suggesting that the legendary investor is indeed taking into account the potential of disruptive companies like Tesla when considering his investments. Musk's vision for Tesla was to globalize it, and had Warren Buffett invested, Musk could have achieved that. Musk saw the potential for the company beyond just cars, envisioning an infrastructure of renewable energy sources, from solar cells to lithium-ion battery packs. Tesla would be set up as a grid of energy providers all over the world, with a sustainable, dependable source for all forms of energy. Buying into Tesla in 2008 meant betting on Musk's vision and giving him the chance to make his dream a reality. He wanted to prove that renewable energies could be competitive with fossil fuels, and he made it happen. In spite of market volatility, Tesla has become one of the most valuable companies in the world, and Warren Buffett missed out on that opportunity. Before we proceed further, if you are enjoying our content, kindly take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification to stay updated on our latest videos. Just imagine if the legendary investor had opted to put his money into Elon Musk's fledgling electric car company back then, how much different would things be? The answer may surprise you. Experts predict that if Buffett had invested $10 billion in Tesla back in 2008, it could have returned a staggering $92 billion by the end of 2019. That's nearly 10 times the return he would have received from investing the same amount in Berkshire Hathaway's share price. Investments like this show why many financial advice gurus consider Warren Buffett to be one of the shrewdest investors ever. In an era where stocks and shares can fluctuate wildly, his knack for consistently predicting lucrative investments is truly inspiring. These mindsets of investing and capitalizing on emerging technology can be key to unlocking your wealth potential. Investing in stocks and other technologies may seem intimidating, but with the right approach and knowledge, you can find yourself reaping returns just as impressive as Warren Buffett's. Tesla has proven to be a disruptive force in the automobile industry, and its technology is having a ripple effect across the rest of the energy and transportation industry. In 2008, Elon Musk announced his master plan to create a multi-plan transportation system, which included developing a fleet of self-driving cars. Fast forward to 2021, and we can see that Tesla has come a long way in the mission of creating an all-electric car. Tesla's cars are now equipped with autopilot, full self-driving capabilities, automatic parking, range optimization, and other impressive features that have set it apart from its competition. The company also plans on launching further innovations, such as its Tesla Network service, allowing owners to share their vehicles with others for an added income stream. Tesla remains dedicated to leading the electric vehicle revolution and will continue to deliver groundbreaking products and services as time progresses. As Warren Buffett has noted, "If I'd put money in Tesla 8 years ago, I'd have made a lot more than I've made in any other investment." It is clear that this is only the beginning for Tesla. We can expect many more advancements from this incredible company in the years to come. What could the two billionaires teach us about money management? Both men have exemplified the power of long-term investing and taking calculated risks. When asked in a 2016 interview why he had not sold any shares of Tesla, Musk replied, "It makes sense to keep your shares if you believe in the mission of the company and that it will be successful in achieving its goals." These are lessons that every entrepreneur could learn from. Have a long-term mindset. Although it might be tempting to see immediate results, having a long-term approach to investments allows time for value to compound. Avoid unnecessary risk. Warren Buffett famously avoids high-risk investments, saying it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Invest in yourself. Musk encourages entrepreneurs to find their own way and build something really great by identifying what they are good at, rather than chasing money as an end goal. While Warren Buffett fans can speculate about what would have happened had he heeded Elon Musk's advice back in 2008, one thing is certain: investing in great companies is the key to successful investing. Warren Buffett built his fortune by finding great companies to invest in and holding onto them for the long haul. Pay attention to successful investors like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk, and apply their wisdom to your own financial decisions. Don't be afraid to take risks, but be smart about where and how you invest your money. With the right knowledge and a strong financial plan, you can follow in the footsteps of these titans and make an impact on your own financial future. Kindly let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this if you enjoyed this video.